Hello everybody, Syncretic 3D here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to make this material that I made for the statue right here, using my material package in Blender. Here's the product page for the package. For $50, you're going to receive 100 specialized group nodes, which helps you build materials like the ones you see right here, and right here, and right here. And here's some animations made with the materials built from my package. This comes with a lot of stuff that the default Blender has a lot of trouble with. And that's why I'm making these demonstrations, to show you how to actually use the package. Okay, now let's dive in. So I'm going to replace the principal BSDF with my specialized plastic node. It's a little bit too glossy, so I'll add some roughness. But on top of that, with this Fresnel slider, we can control how spread out the fluctuations are. And then with this intensity, we can control how intense they are. And these minimum and maximum values control the range for the slider. The intensity basically fakes the brightness of the lights in the scene in the material. Let's change it to a white color. Let's use an Ambient Occlusion node for the crevices here. So Ambient Occlusion. And we'll plug it into a color ramp and bring a new slider in the middle to the right. And in these dark areas, that's where our mask will be for our underlying texture. So let's add a speckles node. This gives us a lot of random dots. And to make them more noisy, I'm going to add a noise transform node. And keep in mind, this noise transform node can be used for anything. And sometimes I like to link a lot of them together in a long chain. And you may notice, unlike the Voronoi texture, this speckles node gives us the option to change the count of speckles. And again, these specialized group nodes are available in my package. They're a bit too complicated to explain in a tutorial. Just altering some of these settings here. And let's use a mix RGB for the blending of the ambient occlusion with the speckles. And set it to overlay. That way it is only appearing inside of the dark values. And this is when you manipulate the settings here, using a second mix RGB with a different blend type. Just altering the mid slider value. Maybe give it a tan color if you want that. And perhaps mix it with the original speckles texture. And then you might want to mix it with a regular white color to control how heavy the crevices are. I'm just manipulating the texture and all the various settings that we have built for ourselves until I like what I see. And again, we can always control the count of the speckles. Now it is time to add some more texture variation to these crevices here. So let's add yet another mix RGB, and in the second color slot we will plug in a noise double node. Just changing the scale and then plugging it in. It's a little bit too subtle. We might want that, but let's dial it back up to 2. That looks much better. I like that a lot, actually. And we can always manipulate the color ramp to give us some more. And now we might want to lower the overlay value for the speckles. Perhaps add some more to the count as well. And from here it's pretty much just various tweaks until you lock down the exact look. And that's pretty much all there is to it. And as for the package, it can be found in the link below. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.